Recycling is not only environmentally responsible, but it can also be a great way to add personality and creativity to your garden. Repurposing items that might otherwise end up in a landfill can be a cost-effective and sustainable way to add interesting and functional garden features. One creative way to use recycled items in your garden is to repurpose old containers into planters. From tin cans to old boots, almost anything can become a unique and quirky planter with a bit of imagination. Simply drill a few drainage holes, add some soil, and plant your favorite herb, flowers, or vegetables. Old furniture pieces can also be given new life in the garden. An old dresser or bookshelf can be turned into a vertical garden by removing the drawers or shelves and filling it with soil and plants. An old chair or bench can be used as a plant stand or a unique garden feature by placing a potted plants or a small planter on the seat or armrest. Recycled building material can also be used to create functional garden structures. Old pallets can be turned into a raised garden bed or a compost bin. Bricks or stone can be stacked to create a retaining wall or border for a garden bed. And old windows or doors can be repurposed as a garden gate or trellis. In addition to functional items, recycled material can also be used to create garden art or decor. An old bicycle wheel or gears can be turned into a unique sculpture or wine can. An old ladder can be transformed into a plant stand or a vertical garden. And old glass bottles or jars can be transformed into garden lanterns or bird feeders. In conclusion, using recycled items in your garden is a fun and sustainable way to add interest and creativity to your outdoor space. With a little creativity and imagination, the possibilities are endless.